viewing your patient appointments on Cellmaflex. Visit user.cellmaflex.com to view your appointments. Log in using the same credentials as your Cellmaflex premium account. On the home page, the blue band indicates your user role and who you are logged in as. The clinic name will be visible below. To view appointments, click on the fourth button in the left banner on the screen. On this screen, you will see all appointments you have scheduled for the day. If you wish to see past or future appointments, you must extend the start date and end date. Please note, you can only set a range of 40 days maximum. I have set the range for 1 week. Below you can see there have been 2 appointments. Clicking on the patient's name is a shortcut to open the patient's profile. This is indicated by the blue banner at the top of the screen. We hope this information has been helpful. Thank you for watching.